Hi, in this video I will show you how to capture slow motion video on your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. First of all, from the home screen, open the Camera app. Swipe the camera modes to the left until you see Edit. Then tap Edit. Scroll down and tap Slow Motion. You can also add other camera modes from this menu. Tap the back key to return to the camera. Swipe the camera modes until you locate slow motion. Tap the record icon to begin recording. Tap the stop icon to finish recording. You can view your video by tapping the thumbnail. And then tap Play Slow Motion Video. To view the playback controls, tap the screen. And after you're done watching your video, tap the back arrow to return to the camera. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.